Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you must open the car trunk and take out the light block. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. Open the trunk. Lift off the cover located in the trunk behind the lights. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 3 holding screws on the light block. Finish off by hand to save time. Remove the light block by pulling it towards you. Remove the power connector. To do this, lift the plastic tab to free it from its holding spur. To free the connector board holding the bulbs, pinch both black tabs and pull it towards you. To replace the bulbs, push down and pivot them a quarter turn anti-clockwise. They should come out on their own. To put the new ones in, position the spurs on the bubble so that they're in front of the holes. Do the same but in reverse. Put the connector board back, putting pressure on it as you do so. The black tabs will automatically clip back into place. Reattach the power connector. Put the light block back. And finish by screwing the 3 holding screws in. Put the cover back on. Operation completed.